The Lungo 80 jacket from Apricoat is here. Now I've been waiting a long time for this, over 3 months since I backed it up on Kickstarter, and I have to say that my expectations have been lowering ever since things started changing, and a lot of things have been removed and not much of it added. Now this is how it comes through the post. It's in no box, no nothing, and obviously you'll also have to pay the dreaded custom charges, which on this case they were a VAT at £7.35 plus the absolutely not very good and extremely large charge from Royal Mail, which is an £8 handling charge. What do I get for this? $169. This was my pledge on Kickstarter, and for that I will get the jacket in extra large, the emergency whistle, emergency bandage, inflatable pillow, the solar charging power bank, which I know that didn't happen yet. I'm sure it's not in this because there are some problems sending it. Will they ever send it? I'm not sure, I don't know. So that's something that we look at, some loss of money there. And also the premium thermal blanket, the blindfold and the Firestone. Now again, this package looks quite small for an extra large jacket, but let's see what we have in it anyway. Like I said, I haven't got great expectation on this, and I'll open this. All right, now let's see. There's a few goodies inside, and we'll go through them as I go along. There we are. Now this, it's a bandage. Do we have that on the list? Yes, we have an emergency bandage. This, it would be a thermal blanket. We have that as well. The whistle, it's on there, and this little thing is the inflatable pillow. Now basically, let's open this up. There we go, more things in here. Okay, hold on. That's the Firestone. That's not the whistle. This is the whistle. And then you have the blindfold. So Firestone, blindfold, thermal blanket, pillow, bandage, whistle. The only thing that's missing from my list, like I said, is the solar charging power bank, which I guess is the most expensive item anyway of this list. Putting these aside, let's see how the jacket looks like. Once again, $169 pledge in the color gray. And this is the jacket itself. Open it up like this. Alright, it looks extremely large. Well, I did order extra large because I want to wear it over something warmer. Material quality looks good, and then in here the zipper looks good. It's actually a good quality zipper. Open this up, and here you go. This is what it's all about. Loads of pockets inside, so you have 1, 2 and 3 pockets on this side. Then on this other side here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets here, so 7 pockets altogether for bits and pieces. You also have the little tags on it. That's for your keys, that's for your sunglasses. This might be basically for your knife. Yeah, you're in a forest, you need a knife. Here you go on this other side. That's the cross on it, so basically you'll have your first aid kit on it. Over here, solar charger, which obviously we haven't got. Then the flashlight, and here this might be for, no idea, I haven't read the instructions yet and don't know what that sign is. over here, the plane, so that's where you put your passport and other things. Now this little bit explains that it has a climate shell here, the into pockets wherever they tell you what to do, a Hydra back, and which is probably this. Obviously you'll find more info on this materials and everything else on the Apricoat website, as this is the back of it. There is no logo, there's a small little thing here where you put another pack. You'll put your hydration pack in here, your water, as you go traveling. I'm gonna close this back. Obviously you have a hood with a little Apricoat logo on it. All in all, here we go, the zero compromise Apricoat, and again some little info on this. On this top here you have this thing which says music, which I can't figure it out yet what it is, but I guess that you'll put something like your player inside and you get your headphones on this side. Well, I'm yet to find out what that does. On the front, again, nice quality zips. Little front pocket here, another 2 pockets on each side, and then furthermore 1 more on the sleeve. At the bottom of the sleeve you have nice velcro tabs to close them to suit your hands, and then a little logo on the front. This is it. Looks like a nice jacket, looks well built. It's basically, I got everything that I wanted apart from the solar charging power bank, which I hope Apricoat are gonna find a way to send it. Otherwise it's just some money that we've lost. Lastly, and for the last time, this is the Apricoat, backed up on Kickstarter for $169. I've seen jackets which are better for that money. I've seen many of them which are worse for that money as well.